Good morning, this is Pinky Shah here from NJ Mortgage. I wanted to reach out to you this morning because I know there's a lot of questions about the government shutdown and how that impacts various activities. So wanted to share with you a little bit about the impact on the mortgage world. There's a few areas where we should expect to see some changes because of the government shutdown. The first and most obvious one is the federally backed loans. President Obama has said himself that all federally backed loans to rural communities, small businesses, and families buying homes will be frozen in the event of this government shutdown. And that's like the USDA loans. Next question is FHA loans. Can you still get an FHA loan? The Federal Housing Administration, they've said that they will continue to provide loans in order to support the U.S. mortgage economy and to provide the stability there. However, there are some parts of the process that are dependent on government employees, so you should expect that there may be some delays if you don't already have approval for an FHA loan. And likewise, then the next question is VA loans. For VA loans, again, the Department of Veterans Affairs says that their loans that their loans are funded via user fees and that they should continue. However, during the last government shutdown, there were some delays to the certificates of eligibility, and so we might see some delays in the process, but we should still be able to get VA loans. The next area is HUD real estate owned properties. HUD real estate owned properties, if you're in a current transaction for a HUD owned property, then if your closing agent has not already received approval for that HUD, then you should expect to see some delays in that process because it's unlikely that you can get approval while the government is shut down. If you already have that approval, then you should be able to close that loan. Tax transcripts. Part of the process, all conventional and most federal loans require a verification of tax transcripts. And so that's something that we need to rely on the IRS to help us with. And so you can expect to see that we should have delays on that process because this would not be considered an essential function. So IRS may not be working on that until they've figured out the division of labor among the agencies. And then the last area is if you have a flood designated property, a property that's in a flood designated zone and you need flood insurance, if you were planning to get it through a policy issued by FEMA, then that's likely to not occur during the government shutdown. However, there are options for private flood insurance, and so you can get private flood insurance, but those options tend to be a little bit more expensive. So that's the latest as far as how the impact of the government shutdown on the mortgage world. Of course, this is a very dynamic stage, as I mentioned, and so things are going to be changing. So we're here to keep you posted, and we'll let you know as we hear more information. If you have any questions at all, you can call us at 732-845-1991. And again, if you have questions related to this or need something need help with mortgage you're buying, looking to buy, sell, or refinance, we're here to help you. I'm Pinky Shah from NJ Mortgage. Thanks and have a great day.